So here's the hole that the engine went through. It's about, say, 2 inches deep, and it's about, say, 90 degrees still in there. Initially, the rocket performed its tasks very well. It performed everything correctly until it got to the parachute deployment stage, which is basically a black powder cap that explodes when it burns to that stage, and that launches a whole bunch of pressure out of the top, which forces the nose cone and the shock cord and the parachute and the recovery wadding out of it. The recovery wadding was that flaming bit that came out of the bottom, I believe, and was flaming on the launch tower. So the reason that the recovery wadding came out the bottom, there was a whole bunch of pressure that got emitted from the engine, and that got all caught up in the body because of how tightly the shock cord and the recovery wadding was packed into the rocket. It ejected the nose cone and the recovery wadding and the shock cord. It all came out very, very well, but because of the pressure buildup, the engine also shot out of the bottom of the rocket. So basically, what this means is that the engine is doing its thing in the rocket, and a whole bunch of gas is coming up. And that gas came out the top and also came out the bottom, causing our engine to fly. I will get on designing a parachute system so we can get it to land properly, and I will figure out a way so the engine does not pop out of the mount when the black powder cap comes off, because if it does that in mid-flight and the parachute deploys properly, then we're going to lose the Komodo, and that would not be very good. I had that happen with my first rocket. The second rocket, though, that's a whole different story, and I will put a clip of that in the video. So thank you so very much for watching, and stay tuned for updates on the Komodo, which I promise will come more frequently than the Patriot 2.
Good, angle's good. Cameras are all rolling. All systems are go. All systems go for launch. Safety pin in. And we are firing in 10, 9, 8, 7,